In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix website mobile-friendly. The first thing you'll want to do is open your website in the Wix editor. Once you are there, go to the very top bar and click the mobile icon. This will switch you from desktop view to mobile view. Wix will automatically generate a mobile-friendly structure based on your desktop layout, which gives you a strong starting point. However, it's important not to assume everything is perfect right away, because a layout that looks great on a large screen often needs adjustments to work smoothly on a phone. When you are in mobile view, focus on the overall flow of the page. Mobile screens work best with a clean vertical structure. If you have sections on desktop that use multiple columns, drag and drop those elements so they stack into a single vertical column. This makes the site much easier to scroll through from top to bottom and helps visitors absorb your content without feeling overwhelmed or cramped. Next, take a close look at your text. Text that feels balanced on desktop can appear too small on mobile. Click into your text boxes, increase the font size where needed, and consider center aligning the text for a cleaner and more polished mobile appearance. The goal is readability. If visitors need to zoom in just to read a headline or paragraph, the mobile experience isn't doing its job. You'll also want to resize your buttons, especially your call to action buttons. On mobile, buttons should be large enough to tap comfortably, centered on the page, and easy to notice. A button that's too small or placed awkwardly can lead to missed clicks and fewer conversions. So this step is worth taking seriously. After that, remove distractions by hiding unnecessary elements. Not everything from your desktop site needs to appear on a phone screen. Decorative shapes, oversized overlapping images, or certain social icons can make the mobile layout feel busy. Click on any element you don't need and use the hide element option, shown as the eye icon. And just to be clear, hiding an element on mobile does not delete it from your desktop version, so you can simplify the phone experience without affecting the main site design. Then, optimize your mobile menu. Click on your site menu in mobile view and choose Edit Menu. From there, adjust the alignment so it opens from the left or right in a way that feels natural, similar to a native mobile app. You should also reduce its width so it doesn't completely cover the page underneath. A menu should feel accessible, not intrusive. Once everything looks good, click Preview in the top right corner. Test the responsiveness, click through your links, and make sure the site feels smooth and intuitive before you officially hit Publish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.